Kalimera, and welcome to our class where you learn how to speak Greek and read Greek and other things with Greek. Most importantly, love Greek. Πάμε! After learning the pronunciation, verb to be, personal pronouns, and other basic things about Greek, the time has come to learn basic words and phrases. We start with greetings. When you see someone, you can say yasu or yasas if there are more people or you really respect that person. Yasas, hello to you guys or to you respected person. But basically yasu. Another thing you can say is kalimera, which is good morning. After noon, you can say kalispera, which basically means good afternoon. And in the evening, you can say kalovradi, which means good evening. When you're leaving, you can also say yasu or yasas, or you can say kalinichta if it's good night. Be careful with the word ya. Look at the spelling. Also note, this word comes from ancient Greek word iyia, which means health, like hygiene, it's rooted in there. So yasu means be healthy, hello, good health to you. Asking how are you, we usually say tikanis. There are other ways to ask, but let's stick with tikanis. The answer is usually kala, efcharisto. Good, thank you, fine, thank you. Another question can be πώς σε λένε, meaning what's your name? Πώς σε λένε, how you are called, something like that. The answer is με λένε Eleni, με λένε Maria, με λένε Sanya. Που μένεις, where live, where you live, where do you live? Μένω στην Αθήνα. Μένω στη Θεσσαλονίκη. Μένω στην Ελλάδα. I live. Note, we don't have to say I. We can just say live. Okay? So remember, γεια σου. Γεια σου. Τι κάνεις? Καλά, ευχαριστώ. Εσύ? Καλά, ευχαριστώ. Πώς σε λένε? Με λένε Μαρία. Πώς σε λένε? Με λένε Ελένη. Πού μένεις? Μένω στην Αθήνα. Εσύ? Πού μένεις? Μένω στη Θεσσαλονίκη. Γεια σου, γεια σου. See, that's easy, but you need to practice. You need to practice the pronunciation many times. Try mirroring or shadowing, so repeat after me exactly as I say it, and also practice writing. That's basically what you can do. This is a simple and short lesson which will help you to start speaking. Next time we keep going with the grammar, but every time we will learn a short text or short dialogue where you can practice practical stuff. Let us know if you need any help. Let us know if you have any troubles, problems. Tell us what you like and tell us what you don't like. See you soon. Be good and yasas.